What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing another origami tutorial. Another thing that I learned when I was in like elementary school or middle school. But a lot of people don't know it, so this is, I don't know what it is called. It's a blow up ball out of paper. Obviously, first thing you need is a piece of paper. And just like the last one for the crane, if you did not see, a lot of origami stuff makes you make a perfect square. So, in case you didn't see it on the last one, or you just went to this one, I'm just gonna fold the corner down like this. Crease it across, so you got this right here, right? So that makes this a perfect square. And how we get rid of this is either use scissors, or you do the old school trick, which is just fold it over. You take your mouth and your tongue, you just wet the end of it. If you don't want to do that, use scissors, but it's pretty easy to come off. And that's just how we did it in school. So first thing is, you already got your first fold, which is to this corner. We're just gonna redo it to the other corner. And it just helps us fold the next stuff, right? So you got your two creases. Creasing it across, bam. Similar to the crane, except for the other way, it's this way. And you're gonna take these corners here, kind of like pinch the sides, right? And you're going to get a little more in and then push them together, like this. And then you're going to just fold it over even, and you're just going to crease each thing there in the middle, because you got those two things there. Awesome. This is a super easy tutorial. Next step, we're going to fold this one side up, match the top corner, bam, just like that. We're going to redo this side. Same thing, and then you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on this side. So difficult. There's also an alternate one of those two, but we'll get to it later. Awesome. Then you got this little square. You got the flats come like this, which I guess don't matter. We're just gonna fold in this to that center line. You just find a little line. You go right into the middle of it, and then the others. I always just do this side first, and then you can do this side. Flip over, do this one. Okay, so probably the hardest part, which is not hard at all, is you take this little flap. This side will have nothing. This side will have a little flap. You just you tuck it in here, and you just push as far as it can go, and you fold it like this. So, and then you just tuck in every single side. There's another method to where you can use it and add little wings, but I'll show that afterwards. And after you do that, it's completely done. You got this little thing here. What you do is you fold it out like this. You got this little hole here in the end, and you just blow it up. I will show you how that is done. So yeah, super simple. We got this. We got the end with the hole in it. You fold it out like this. Put your mouth, blow it, and it blows into this ball. And as a kid, everybody loved these things. You can put a little like string on it and like hang them up and color them, decorate them. And there is other methods, but you can add like little wings, which is fine. If you just untucked these little things we folded in on every side, like that, just undo them all. All right, we untucked it. This is just the bonus material, right? I think you fold that over like that. Oh yeah, okay. So you got this crease here, you fold it over like this, and here it goes like this. See how that folded down, and you crease this. Fold that over. Then you do the same on the other side. So you unfold that, you'll take this one all the way out. You got this one crease here. Fold it over on that crease it all the way down. And you'll take this, there's a crease here that you fold on. You just fold it up, it kind of matches with this one. And then you fold it over. And you do the same thing on every single side. Over, up, over this way. And over, up. I've been doing this for years, so it's really just nothing anymore, but you guys understand. Yeah, and then you got now, when you blow it up, I will show you. You have this thing. Here is the bonus one. If you guys want to add wings to your box, now you just do the same thing as blow it like before. And now, it's got these two little wings, like a flying ball, or a Quidditch, the golden whatever, I can't remember what it is called in Harry Potter, right? The golden snitch, you know, try to catch it. That's it, pretty simple. Have fun with it. Use your imagination. You can color it, and you can, I don't know, do something with it. Really appreciate checking this video out. I have a couple more origami things that I can put on here. These are probably the two most popular ones that people like, or I like anyways, so that would be cool. If you ever get a chance, check out my friends over at Appy Trail Bites. They sell Delta 8 edibles, they make themselves. Link stuff down in the description below. I also got a buddy over at Rising Rebels, something like that. I got links in the description below. It's an awesome clothing brand. Check them out. In the meantime, you guys have any comments, throw everything down there. I always read everything. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.